Steam turbines blades operate continuously under high temperature, high pressure, and high rotational speeds. Areas such as blade roots, leading edges, and trailing edges are prone to fatigue cracks. These defects are difficult to detect in their earlier stages, but once they propagate, they can lead to blade damage or even unplanned unit shutdown. To meet the inspection need of steam turbine blade surface defects, the portable eddy current flaw detector enables rapid on-site deployment. Lightweight and portable, it requires no couplant and is well suited to the complex environment of power plant maintenance sites. Inspectors simply scan a non-critical blade area, while the device displays signal in real time. Surface and near-surface cracks, fatigue damage, and other defects can be quickly detected and located, significantly improving inspection efficiency. Compared to traditional inspection methods, eddy current testing requires no couplant and offers higher efficiency. The handheld design is ideal for working in the narrow spaces between blades, helping reduce maintenance time and increase equipment availability. Inspection results can be stored and traced in real time, providing data support for defect assessment, maintenance decision, and equipment life management. The portable eddy current flaw detector delivers efficient, accurate, and reliable inspection, safeguarding the safe and stable operation of thermal power units.